Hi, y'all. Welcome back to another on the road edition. We're not on the road, we're just on the road. I'm back in the Chicago suburbs. Yay. Rather be out in the country somewhere, but if you gotta be somewhere, well, not a huge fan of Chicago or Illinois, but there's things to enjoy, like shopping. There's an Aldi. No matter which direction I travel, there's an Aldi within 5 minutes, I think. Maybe 10. There was no Aldi at all in the state of Illinois. There's the nearest Trader Joe's was over 6 hours one way. I have not missed the traffic. I have not missed the constantly getting stuck for commuter trains. Hold on. Achoo! Excuse me. Okay, I'm back. Where was I? Man, the food. I probably gained 10 pounds from all the food, even though we try to eat at home. But there's pizza every block. There's Chicago dogs and burgers every block. And there's really good burgers at most of the hot dog joints or the Italian beef joints. Even the pizza joints. Anyway, there's just so much stuff. Cost of living is better than in the middle of nowhere in Utah because there's more competition, but really for bargains on groceries, either Walmart, which is no longer an hour away, it's only half hour away. It's only 10 miles, but that takes half an hour with city traffic. Anyway, Woodman's. I love Woodman's. It's about a 45-minute drive, but it's worth it. Imagine a something. Oh, it's like a Walmart, but twice as big. Or it feels that way anyway. And they're open 24 hours. If you've never been into a Woodman's market, you're missing out. Anyway, things like that are good to have again. We had food delivery a couple times until I realized who was I using? Grubhub. Grubhub actually jacks up your prices and then tells you, we're going to give you a $1 off your order. But they're charging $2 more for a hamburger. They really jack up the prices. And I don't know if it's the vendors doing it for Grubhub or if it's Grubhub doing it. It's probably the vendors to take advantage. Anyway, enough of that. I am now pulling into an Aldi parking lot, and I've got my Aldi quarter for the shopping cart, and I've got my grocery bags. It's kind of nice to actually have to deal with things like that again in a strange way. Another thing, I'm not an environmentalist, but it's nice to have recycling again. I don't know if it actually saves the environment or if it's just a feel-good thing, to be honest. But I prefer to think that it's accomplishing something. So, anyway, thanks for following along, riding along to Aldi with me. And gonna get me some coffee, and see you next time. Bye!